Hi, in this video we are going to see the lecturer recruitment notification from one of the state public service commission guys. So these are all the government lecturer recruitments. So here the total 124 vacancies are there and age limit is 40 years and you are going to get the pay scale guys. So including the grade pay and the basic pay as well as allowance, you may get nearly up to 57,000 rupees per month guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government lecturer jobs. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission guys, UPPSC. So lecturer government Ashram Paddhati Inter College examination 2021. So the date of commencement of online application 18th June 2021. So just recently 4 days back the online application started guys, and the last date for receipt of examination fee online in the bank is 15th July 2021 and the last date for online submission of application is 19th July 2021. Okay, that means almost 1 month they given the time for the online application purpose guys. So you will get this link in the official website of the UPPSC guys. Okay, so in this official website you may check down live advertisement. Click here to apply for the advertisement number lecturers in government Ashram Paddhati Inter College. Okay, it is visible up to 19th July 2021. And if you click on this one and then you will be directed to this web page guys. Okay, so in this web page you may check down. Okay, it is application or the notification guys. So user instructions, view advertisement as well as if you want to apply then click on the apply here. So coming to the view advertisement, just click on this one and then you will be directed to here. So you may get the advertisement in the document form English, document form Hindi and PDF English as well as PDF Hindi. Okay, so whatever is comfortable you may go through that one guys. Here I am opening the English PDF file. Okay, so it is a notification regarding this one guys. And you may check down the examination fee also here. Unreserved or economically weaker section or other backward caste classes, exam fees 100 rupees plus online processing fee 25, total 125 rupees. SC or ST total 65 rupees and handicap 25 rupees and ex-serviceman 65 rupees. Okay, so these are the things. And important instruction is given here. If at any stage it is found that the candidate has concealed or misrepresented any desired or the required information, his candidature may be cancelled. And the candidate are directed to ensure the preservation of information regarding all the stages in the registration, fee payment, final submission, etc. in soft or hard copy for the future reference at the time of online application form. Okay, so these are the things mentioned here guys. And here necessary information to applicants for filling their application through online. So first you have to go through the user instructions and you have to go through view advertisement and then you have to go through the apply. That means here whatever the things are mentioned, user instructions, view advertisement and apply. We will go through the user instructions and apply after completion of the advertisement guys. Well, because first of all here I want to show you what are the different subjects and from which subject the how many vacancies are there as per the caste category. I want to show you that one. So here from the 4 subjects, okay, from the 4 subjects the vacancies are announced. Total 124 vacancies are there. And from the physics 30 vacancies and chemistry 26, biology 33 and mathematics 35. Total 124 vacancies, and out of this one unreserved category 50 vacancies and EWS 12, OBC 34, SC 26 and ST 2 vacancies. And here you may check down the pay scale also guys, 9,300 to 34,800 with the grade pay 4,800 and it is a level 8 pay scale you will get. And coming to the reservation and each and everything as per the UP government guys. Okay, and the age limit, the relaxation is also there. Fine. And the conditions of eligibility for age relaxation, eligibility in case of emergency commission or the short service commission. Okay, so here for different categories there is a age relaxation are given. You may check down. And while coming to the marital status, male candidates who are married and have more than one wife, okay, living, and female candidates who have married a person already having a wife shall not be eligible unless the Honorable Governor has granted exemption in this condition. Okay, so it is a 1 point. Next point, educational qualification. The candidate must possess postgraduate degree in respective subject from any recognized university or equivalent examination up to the last date for receipt of online application. This should be mentioned by the candidates in the relevant column of their online application form. Okay, so with only post graduation you may apply for this one, guys. So it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government lecturer jobs with only post graduation. Okay, no need of UGC NET, no need of PhD, no need of SET. Anything is not required. So with only post graduation in the concerned department you may apply for this one. And a few more preferable qualifications are also mentioned here, guys. Okay, so you may check down. And while coming to the age limitations for the post of lecturer, okay, the age limitations are mentioned. 21 years, mean greater than 21 years, and must not have crossed the age of 40 on July 1st, 2021. They must not have been born earlier than 2nd July 1981 and not earlier than 1st July 2000. And while coming to the PH category, the age limit is 55 years. They may have not been born before 2nd July 1966. Relaxation is provided, guys. 5 years relaxation is there. I will little bit zoom this one. Yeah, you may check down. The 5 years of relaxation is there. Belonging to scheduled caste of UP, scheduled tribes of UP, other backward class of UP, skilled players of UP of classified games, and state government employees of UP, including teachers or staff for the Basic Shiksha Parishad of UP, and teachers or staff of the government aided Madhyamik Vidyalayas of the UP. Fine. So for this categories there is age relaxation is provided. And some information about lecturer. Okay, some information is given here about the written examination. The selection will be based upon the written test, guys. That means how good you are performing in the written test. Then the selection will be decided. Only such candidates will be admitted to the written examination who are declared successful in the preliminary examination, for which the successful candidates will have to fill up another application form to instructions of the commissions. And for this application, the examination fee for the general category, okay, and for the economic weaker section, so all these things the examination fee is given. That means the selection process will be based upon the two things, guys. One is the preliminary examination, second one is the mains examination. The candidates who are qualified in the preliminary examination, then only you will get the admit card for the mains examination, and you have to pay additional amount to sit in the mains examination. Even though if you qualified in the preliminary examination, you have to pay some additional amount to sit in the mains examination. Fine. So those are the points mentioned here, guys. And coming to the written examination, that means written test, the syllabus is also mentioned, okay, in the appendix, and the certificates are also mentioned here. So you may check down for physics as well as for the remaining subjects for botany. Okay, section A and section B, the syllabus is also mentioned. So you please go through this one, guys, for mathematics. Okay, so I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, you may find out. Fine. If you want to apply, then click on this apply button. Anyhow, it will be opened up to 19th July 2021. So before that one, you have to apply, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notification. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.